Asikubingelele-ke sikwamukele kule channel. Sicela niqiniseke uqine laphana-ke usubscribe button-ke ukuze uzothola zonke-ke zishisa-ke. Lapha-ke sikuphathela udaba lapho kulithinta khona-ke laphana-ke ubuholi-ke be-VF Plus-ke obukhona njengamanje sibaleke noPieter Groenewald neKhumalo Motla. Lapho-ke khona-ke kuvele-ke ividiyo laphana-ke ku-TikTok-ke laphana ikhishwa khona laphana-ke i-political activist-ke uDarren lapho echaza khona ukuthi-ke ubuholi be-VF Plus njengamanje obufungisiwe obunezikhundla laphana-ke kwikhabhinethi entsha laphana ye-GNU kumele ngabe-ke bubhadlete la ukuthi ngabe busey'khundleni-ke. Darren-ke uyabeka-ke lapho ukuthi-ke ngoba lo buholi-ke baba nesandla kakhulu kutheni-ke kubulawe-ke laphana-ke uChris Hani.
If there are two MPs who should be under the prison, it is this one and it is this one. And it has everything to do with Chris Hani not being with us anymore. Now, before there was the Freedom Front Plus, there was the Conservative Party, and Pieter Groenewald was an MP in the Conservative Party. The Conservative Party split from the NP because they felt like they were being too soft on apartheid. They had the support of P.W. Botha and felt like de Klerk was losing the plot. They also led a campaign that said people should vote no in the referendum. Now, the referendum was asking, should they end apartheid, yes or no? And they were encouraging people to vote no, meaning continue apartheid. And Pieter Groenewald and Corné Mulder were part of the Conservative Party voting to continue apartheid. And those are the people who are now leading the Freedom Front Plus. Now, what does this have to do with Chris Hani? A guy named Clive Derby-Lewis was the finance minister for the Conservative Party. Now, Clive Derby-Lewis and another guy named Janus Vallis were later convicted for the unaliving of Chris Hani. One of the leaders of the party, Ferdy Hartzenberg, then went on record at the TRC to say that Clive Lewis carried out the unaliving at the wishes of the Conservative Party, the same party that Pieter Groenewald and Corné Mulder were members of. So the fact that the Freedom Front supports Oranje and wants an independent Western Cape is not surprising at all. These are thoroughbred, unrepentant racists of the highest order, always have been. They are not apologetic about it. Now, this information is not a secret, it is not hidden, and if you really want to, you can even ask the Freedom Front Plus yourself, and they will tell you. And the ANC still made this man a minister in our cabinet. Minister of Corrections, to be specific. By the way, he wants the death penalty back. To a man like that, I wonder who in his mind deserves that penalty.